distant land. I really enjoy the days. It's always been my way to keep moving on. Then the nights and the city lights showed me I was missing home. The reason I was feeling low, I was missing love. For your love, can I ever get
I gotta town something mad small. Yeah,
I'm curious to see how they're gonna react.
I know. Oh, I see all the frogs up here. Oh, there's lizards. I want to catch one, but I don't want to bother them. Right on the rod. I just went with my hands.
Might have to go underneath it.
Yeah.
I could just leave.
I did.
Oh, nice.
I just restarted it in case I catch anything. Ah, that was shitty. I need to go a little bit slower too. Nice. Got it. Oh. Wow.
Holy shit.
Is he good?
Yeah, this one. He's hiding in the rock.
It'll be hard to get another one to bite, but let's see.
Dude, this focuses in.
That's money.
Oh, they're tracking. Another one. Stop it.
Come on. Oh, he's under the rocks.
Now he's back up.
Oh,
That's the Chico.
dude. You're lying.
This is probably the best.
Oh. Yeah. Oh. He just hit that rock pretty hard. He's good though. This is unreal.
Well, they're tracking again.
Yeah, they might be done. Oh, never mind. Slow is the key. Because then they smack it. Dude, this is ridiculous.
This is a cheat code.
Dude, he's beautiful.
I was gonna say his color, I can see from here. Is that not a rainbow?
No, it's a... I think it's a brook trout.
Yeah, it's definitely. Well, here he comes.
Like a little wet.
No, I guess not.
What?
There's just a sign pointing there. But I think we just went straight.
Dude, they freak out.
I know. I would also just stick it from your right side like this.
I'm gonna go down more. That thing, it doesn't get down enough. Oh my. Dude. I'll have to flip them up.
I'd say reel it a little bit.
No way.
Yeah, I see him. 100%, that is nasty.
Oh, he's so cold. That is just a stunning fish, dude.
He is stunning.
He'll figure it out.
Oh, he's stuck on the edge. He's about to go.
Sweet.
Wow. That was an unreal release. That was good. Oh, you can't really do that actually alive. Oh my god, it gets so low. Oh my god. It's like where we went like 3 times in like 1 week and just my forearms. This looks like and it's also not that sunny, so it's probably good. Nice little path carved out for us.
Yeah, I saw that. I'm gonna walk up. Wow, that's gonna be nice. I want to get too close though.
Yeah, I see like 3 or 4 right in front of me. Oh wow, there's so many. Holy shit, oh my god.
Already, dude.
Wow.
It came off. Oh my word. Dude.
Holy.
That's unreal. Look, they're swimming right over to it. Oh my goodness. Dude, that thing is beautiful.
That is gorgeous.
That's a rainbow. That's a beautiful rainbow.
That's a gorgeous fish.
Wow. Part of his lip. Got it. Let's get him back.
It's got like teeth.
Yeah, right? That's what I was talking about yesterday.
I thought you said like it was like on their tongue. I didn't know they had basically teeth.
Brown boy taking the world on. Oh yeah, reel it in. You're holding it upside down. That's good enough. There you go. Oh, he came off. Good enough once again. Point the rod tip down. There you go.
Let's go.
Shoot!
You want to hold it? Let's see if I can unhook him.
Sure. Oh, dude, his colors are beautiful. Dude, that is a beautiful fish.
Oh my god, look at my shoe. I just looked horrible.
What a fish.
Wow, he is gorgeous.
Dude, it's every cast.
You got one?
Yeah. These guys have never seen a spinner before. Oh, you want me to do it?
No, I can try. No, that's my bad.
Phew!
Oh, that's a big one.
Another beautiful rainbow.
Dude, that's a big one. He's massive.
Look at that, dude.
That's nice.
Oh my gosh, dude. No way. That's really immediate.
I guess he's gonna drop it in.
He's going nuts.
Wait, I can use.
Oi. That's no good.
Is it though?
Hope it just gets off. And it's not as long as the others.
Yeah. Probably a little close.
Yeah, they kind of got to get there and turn right back around.
Yeah. Waterfall as well, which is nice.
Yeah, yeah, we probably passed.
Like, think about how many cars we saw.
Yeah. Ooh. Shower.
I think my packing is about to be completely reversed. So I had all my clean clothes in that zipper. So I just have so much more dirty clothes.
I don't think you can get down there without like hiking crazy from the ocean area. It's gotta be fished like it never has been. It's gonna be dicey.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. I thought it was left toad. I'm gonna be right first and me after. Oh, my hands are disgusting. Let's go first. Holy. Oh, it came off. Nice. See you, buddy. Hey, buddy. Dude, these things are so wild. See ya.
Oh my god.
Dude, this is crazy.
That's 4 in a row.
It's gonna be the end of my fishing journey. Holy shit. The end of my fishing journey in Madeira. 10 out of 10. Trout were crazy. Great time. Bucket list. For show. Peace.